Hi friends, welcome to the Cruise Biology. Today we are talking about Krebs cycle. If you want to like my videos, then click the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to get notification and share to your friends. So let's start. Krebs cycle is also known as TCA, tricarboxylic acid cycle. It is also called Krebs cycle, or it is also called the citric acid cycle. Krebs cycle is a biochemical pathway of cellular respiration that is used to generate the energy through oxidation of acetyl-CoA. It is discovered by Hans Krebs, and he discovered the CAC in pigeon flight muscle. It takes place in the matrix of mitochondria in eukaryotes, as well as takes place in the cytosol of prokaryotes. First, we are going to see the overview of cellular respiration. There are three stages of cellular respiration. First one stage is oxidation of fatty acids, glucose and some amino acids that yields the acetyl-CoA. Glucose is converted into the pyruvate molecule via the glycolysis pathway, and glucose is the 6 carbon compound and it produces the 2 pyruvate molecule, that is 3 carbon compound. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex that converts the pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, and further acetyl-CoA that oxidized into the citric acid cycle. This is the second step of cellular respiration. The third step is production of ATP via the ETC. It's called electron transport chain. Now we are going to discuss each steps in the detail. As a result of glycolysis, glucose is converted into the 2-pyruvate molecule, and pyruvate molecule is converted into the acetyl-CoA by the pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. This process gives rise to the one CO2 molecule and one NADH molecule per pyruvate molecule. It is the 3 carbon compound and acetyl-CoA is the 2 carbon compound. TCA cycle is start with the acetyl-CoA, combines with oxaloacetate and give rise to the citrate molecule via the enzyme is called citrate synthase. Oxaloacetate is a 4 carbon compound and it's combined with 2 carbon and give rise to 6 carbon compound. This process of conversion is called Klein condensation. Then citrate is converted into the cis-aconitate by the enzyme is called aconitase. This process that releases the one H2O molecule. This process is also called dehydration. Then cis-aconitate converts into the isocitrate via the enzyme that is called aconitase. This process is addition of H2O and it is called rehydration. Then isocitrate is converted into the alpha ketoglutarate molecule via the enzyme that is called isocitrate dehydrogenase. It converts the NAD into NADH molecule. It also releases the CO2 molecule. This process is called oxidative decarboxylation. Then alpha ketoglutarate is a 5 carbon compound and it's converted into the succinyl-CoA via the enzyme that is called alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. This process gives rise to the one molecule of CO2, so it is 4 carbon, and this process is called oxidative decarboxylation. Then one NADH molecule is released. Succinyl-CoA is converted into the succinate molecule via the enzyme called succinyl-CoA synthase. This process is give rise to the one GTP molecule. Then this process is also called substrate level phosphorylation. After the conversion, succinate give rise to the fumarate molecule by the enzyme called succinate dehydrogenase. This process give rise to one FADH2 molecule, and it is also called dehydrogenation process. Then fumarate give rise to the malate molecule by the enzyme called fumarase. Then it is also added one H2O molecule in the reaction, so it is called hydration reaction. Then malate is return converted into the oxaloacetate by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase. This process is called dehydrogenation, and this process is also release one NADH molecule from NAD molecule. So the result of Krebs cycle is it release the 3 molecule of NADH, then 1 molecule of FADH2 and 1 molecule of GTP and 2 molecule of CO2. Then pyruvate is a 2 molecule as a result of glycolysis. As the 1 glucose molecule give rise to 2 pyruvate, so 2 Krebs cycle is occurred. Then it give rise to 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, 2 GTP molecule and 4 CO2 molecule. So thanks for watching my videos. If you want to support, then you can donate us. That is amount we are using to buy software and the maintenance of this channel. I hope this video you can like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.